So here we got the Panamera all finished up, and we're gonna give you guys a quick demo on how to operate the remote start from the factory key fob, as well as the add-on app module that we installed. So this is gonna be the same whether you guys have a Cayenne, a Macan, a 911, a Cayman, a Panamera. Any of the Porsche vehicles are going to operate in the same manner. So what we have here is the factory key, and then we'll go over the app module after we show you guys everything here. So what we're gonna do is tap the lock button 3 times. You just tap it 1, 2, 3. You're gonna give it a few seconds. It's gonna energize all the electronics and whatnot in the vehicle, and then she's gonna crank up. Once it's running, it's gonna run for 15 minutes. You guys can cancel remote start from the factory key as well by pushing the lock button 3 more times. If the 15-minute run timer expires, the car will turn off, the doors will lock, so everything is just as it was before you guys activated the remote start sequence. So what we're gonna do now is show you guys how to do the takeover process, which is remote start it. And then when you come out to the vehicle, what you need to do in order to get in and drive away. So we're running. What we're gonna do is just hit the unlock on the key. We're gonna come out to the door, jump on in. The car stays running. Now, if you guys have a knob over here, all you have to do is turn the knob so it's in the run position. This one, we actually have to insert a key. So what we do is just put the key in and then turn it to ignition. And now we can hit the brake, pull it out of park, and drive away. So now we're gonna give you guys a quick demo on the app module. What we're gonna do is show you guys how to lock, unlock, remote start, remote stop, and then a couple other features that we have on our app as well. So the vehicle's locked right now. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the unlock icon in the bottom right. The car's going to respond, unlock the doors. You'll get your confirmation on the app, and then the door lock status updates to doors unlocked right here, which is that green icon. Now, if I go ahead and lock it back, the car will respond again. The app will give you the visual notification that doors are locked right there in the center. Now to remote start it, you're gonna hit the top left icon. So it's basically the same thing as hitting the lock button 3 times on your key, except we're not limited by the range of your factory key by using the app. So it's gonna be the same process. If you guys are ready to come out and leave, you just do what you just saw with the key, unlock the door, get in, and drive away. Now, if you guys want to cancel the remote start from the app, you just hit the top right icon and she will shut down. On your vehicle, you can hit the little arrow here. We already set it up so the icon is here. If we just press that, it's going to go ahead and pop the hatch on the Panamera. As you can see, it won't close it if you guys push it again. So the way you close it is just hit the button up here on the lid, and she'll pop back down. So the last thing that you guys can do is hit the little arrow down here at the bottom. It's gonna bring up the map pin, which is your GPS locate of the vehicle. It's not a tracker, so you can't see the breadcrumbs or speed that it's traveling, but it will ping the vehicle in real time, so it'll do that for you. And then that's the last thing on the app.